In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the ice bin in this Whirlpool refrigerator. If your ice bin is cracked, has a hole, or if the auger is damaged, you may need to replace the ice bin. If you need to buy a new ice bin, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To remove the ice bin, open the ice bucket cover by pressing the locking tab up. Then, insert your fingers into the opening, pull the latch towards you, and lift up. This is how the latch works to release the ice bin. If the bucket is frozen in place, you may need to thaw before removing. When shopping for a new ice bin, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the ice bin, align the bin in the opening and set in place. It will make an audible click when locked back in place. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.